Alright, so this is going to be a quick video on why it's important to go ahead and do a quick visual inspection when you're servicing your vehicle. In this situation, in this Buick LaCrosse, we have a situation where we have low coolant levels. So it is critical that we take care of that, because low coolant levels will result in overheating, blown head gaskets, and all type of other issues. So while doing a simple service such as an oil change, it is critical just to quickly take a glance at the car. And let's go ahead and get some candle power here. We'll find that we have a coolant leak here, accompanied with low coolant levels. So while seeing this, we're going to go ahead and take care of it real quick. And it's just this little piece of plastic here. These plastics become very brittle with age and heat, cooling. See, they break right off. So no fear, I got an actual new part here. We're just going to replace it, top off the cooling system, and we'll be back on the road. So let me get a few tools real quick. We'll get right into it. Alright, let's go ahead and start with this clamp right here. Okay. And we're just going to break this seal carefully. Sticking this pick here. It'll probably crumble anyways, but there we go. That should be all you need. And this is a quick connect, so you're just supposed to squeeze this little green tab that obviously broke off. So let's see how we can finish it off and pull this out just like that. Okay, now we're ready for the new one. Let's go ahead and take off these 10 so we can just flex it a little bit. Okay. Okay. Let's put this right back exactly where we found it. There. There we go. I put these little screws back. We're done. See, something so simple like this could cause such a huge problem. Now you want to always, like I said, double check. You got other quick connects like these right here, these elbows and stuff like that. They tend to do the exact same thing. After a vehicle has certain mileage and age, I mean, you might as well just replace everything, because they're just going to start failing one by one. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to go ahead and concentrate on this one, top it off, and call it a day. So let me get some coolant. Alright, go ahead and top. Oh, got a little bit of spillage. Okay. Let's let that work down. Let's crank it up and make sure we bleed the system. Still bubbling down. Let's go ahead and top this bad boy up again. Go ahead and give it a few minutes. Oh, what is this? Interesting. I didn't notice that earlier. Let's go ahead and let this warm up and make sure the coolant is circulating. Okay, so it's been several minutes and I can feel that there's water circulating through here. This pipe has gotten really hot. So again, it's just to top it off. It wasn't empty completely, it's just to top it off. So I'm pretty happy with that. It hasn't come down any lower than that. So I'm pretty satisfied for right now. I'm gonna put this cap and hose all this down to get some of that residue out, and we're back in business. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.